what's up? What's going on? My name is Britt and this is the Banana Diaries. So on this channel I typically make a bunch of healthy vegan recipes as well as some fun lifestyle videos. Today we're going to be making my favorite zucchini oatmeal. Ta-da! This zucchini bread oatmeal literally tastes like a bowl of zucchini bread, but as oatmeal. It's so freaking good. And we're making it in, oh Jesus, it's heavy, an Instant Pot. So I was doing some research and apparently you actually can make rolled oats in an Instant Pot. You just need to cook it for a shorter amount of time. I've learned that. I've burnt my oats several times now. We're not going to be making a mistake like that today. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to make this zucchini bread oatmeal all in an Instant Pot. But of course, you can also just make this in a microwave or on the stovetop, but today we're going to be using an Instant Pot. So let's roll film. So to start, we're just going to unlock our Instant Pot and add a teaspoon of coconut oil to the pot. And then next up, we're going to be adding in 2 cups of oats. And keep in mind that your Instant Pot is still off. We're just going to toss this slightly and then turn it to the saute mode so that it toasts the oats. And then we'll turn it off and add in the pea protein powder, a little bit of nutmeg, and a little bit of cinnamon. And then we're just going to toss this again as the Instant Pot is turned off. Then we'll add in 2 cups of dairy-free milk, so I chose coconut milk here. And it is steamy because I actually didn't let the Instant Pot cool enough, so give it 10 minutes to cool before now tossing it back together and then adding in the remaining wet ingredients, including the zucchini here. I'm using about a cup of zucchini, so that's about half of a large one or 1 full medium. Then add in a little bit of maple syrup and toss again. And then we're going to secure the lid onto the Instant Pot and make sure that the pressure valve is switched closed. And then we're going to turn it on to preheat. So the oats will literally cook for just 2 minutes, and then you're going to release the pressure from the Instant Pot and remove the lid. So the 2 minutes is crucial here because any longer it will burn the oats on the bottom of the pan, but any shorter it won't cook the oats enough. Just make sure to turn your Instant Pot off and then carefully remove the metal insert from the Instant Pot. And now we're going to plate our oatmeal. So you can top your zucchini bread oats with any toppings that you desire. I'm going for a banana zucchini bread kind of feel, so I'm topping with some banana coins, a few vegan chocolate chips, and then a sprinkle of some chopped pecan nuts. So believe it or not, each bowl has over 17 grams of plant-based protein, and it is so filling. It tastes like zucchini bread in a bowl. And of course, this is perfect to meal prep on a Sunday if you want breakfast every single day of the week and you don't have to think about it. Just to reheat the oatmeal, my trick is to actually warm some coconut milk and then pour it over the oatmeal. It actually helps to warm the oats without having to use the microwave, and you can just warm the milk on the stovetop. Alright, and now for the taste test. It's just so gooey. So thick too. It's like overnight oats almost. That's so good. Oh my gosh. So as you can see, this oatmeal makes quite a lot of servings. You can make this as 4 servings, or you could even make it as 5 moderate servings. You can also scale this recipe up or cut it down. It's very easy to customize it to however many servings you want. This is a great meal prep recipe because you can just do this at the beginning of the week and then you'll have literally oatmeal ready to go, and like then it becomes overnight oatmeal, but you've already cooked the oats, so it's great. And it's just like you're basically eating overnight oats that are actually cooked instead of just soaked. So it's really good. If you make this recipe, let me know down below in the comment section, and you can find the full recipe linked down below in the description box. It is on my blog, thebananadiaries.com. As always, if you are more interested in the behind the scenes of a food blogger's life, as well as my daily eats, oh, Nala wants to join. Come on, Nolly. And all the recipes that I make on my blog, be sure to give me a follow on Instagram at @the_banana_diaries. Also, I make an effort to respond to every reader, so we're just so adorable. So if you want to hang out, if you have any questions about the recipes, I'm always there to answer questions and also just get to know my readers. I think that it's wonderful that we have this community where we can all make a bunch of healthy recipes and spread some joy and love, and yeah, I'm just very much about that. Anyways, I'm gonna let you get back to the rest of your day. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell notification somewhere on the bottom of the screen if you'd like to see more recipe videos like this. I hope that you have a beautiful rest of your day. Remember that you are an amazing human being. You deserve to be here, and I'm rooting for you always. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. After 20 years. About the video. You're so cute, Nala.